Hi, this is Kevin with KGM Jam, owner of ProAdvertisersClub. Totally free site to advertise. Go to ProAdvertisersClub.com and join for free today and start advertising for free. Okay, a little bit late today on this video. The quest today was the Earth Quest, and I actually did pretty good. I had to get going as usual in the morning, so I knocked it out, but did not make a recording. So we're going to do it now. Let's go. And I am Bronze 1, and hopefully I'm got time to play tonight, so I'm going to get to Silver 3. I know I said that yesterday, but I'm trying to remember what happened yesterday. 10 credits. Okay. Now, once you get into Silver, you don't get credits anymore. You get DEC from what I have learned on the few times that I got to Silver. So let me see. Let's go look at the numbers real quick. And I got a couple comments I wanted to put in here. Bon Galapan, thank you for commenting. You have a great plan. Thanks. Yeah, what I'm hoping to show is that with patience and planning and strategy, that you can actually generate a profit, and but not how much you can make, but how it works, as far as it doesn't happen overnight. Mine's a slow buildup because I'm only doing $10 investment every other day. For which, at the end of the year that I'm doing this, it's going to be about $1,500. That's a lot of money. I understand that. So, but I'm also showing that you can do this without any money, but it's going to take time. Even putting a little bit of money in every other day, it's going to take time. And I'm double whammy because the everything's just so low right now. Of course, when I first started it plummeted like everything else did. On the third, out of that, if you rent a Lorna Shine, you will move faster to throw levels through the lower levels. That's true. I used to own it, and I sold it when I first started because I watched a YouTube video that told me to buy it, and I did pretty good. But then I changed my strategy and I sold it. But I think I'm going to go back to it because I think you're right. Well, I know you're right. At lower levels, it's a very powerful card with the. If I'm correct, that's the one with the thorns summoner. So thank you for responding and watching the videos. So let's see, where else are we going to? Let's go to the. Okay, so this is Splinterlands 10,000. It's the 7th. I'm trying to get the $10,000 asset value. And I started this on the 2nd of January. And I didn't start filming till the 2nd of February. So about a month later. And I changed the payment system. Before March, I was I was trying to keep track of every single penny that from the $10 that I put in. Like, I'd buy 2 packs, some potions, some cards, all the DEC. And I don't even need to keep track of the $10 I'm putting in, because the DEC that I'm getting here, that's from playing the game. Once you get bronze 2 or higher, you get DEC for each victory. So all 5 of these victories, I got a little bit of DEC. And then the rest is from my rentals. Okay. So all I needed to show was the $10. And I don't need to say, I mean, I can, but it's not a big deal of where it goes. It's just more that I keep track of it. And as of the 6th, which was yesterday, 744, I put none in today. So actually, it's supposed to be the 8th that I'm going to put $10 in. So tomorrow, but I'm actually going to put it in tonight because it gives me a bonus on SPS, but I count it for tomorrow. So it's every 2 days is what I'm doing, because on the 6th, I actually put it in on the 5th. Okay, if you understand that. So here's my numbers. I've got the value, the number of cards, the power points, the SPS, and the profit. The profit's gone down, but so has all the value of everything. And when I first started, I was buying 2 packs and opening up 1 pack a day. But hold on. Sorry about that. The dog wants to play, and I will after the video. So anyway, where was I at? I was talking about the packs, and I was buying 2 packs and then doing 1 pack a day. Okay, but then the value that I was getting out of the packs dropped because of the card value of the cards were. I was getting 50 cents of value on average out of the packs, and I'm paying $4 plus for the potions because I stopped the potions originally. So financially, strategically, it was better to take the $10 and buy directly from the secondary market, which a lot of times that's true anyway. The packs are more of a gambling thing, but if at least you're getting $4 of value out of it on average, because you can get some $100 value cards or higher, but it's very hard, and so I think it's a better move, and it paid off on my numbers. So anyway, let's go to the latest numbers. 775. That's when I put that in this morning at about 9 o'clock. 144 cards, 38.75 in the box. But look at my power, 111,163. That's the number you want to always be going up, even when things are bad. If that number keeps going up, that means you're getting more powerful, and it means you're getting more valuable because they kind of go hand in hand, even though the price has gone down. The SPS value dropped, I think, a whole penny. So I went down to $86 from 94 and a profit of 130. Okay. But the point is here that as bad as things are and as much money as I've put in, if I sold everything, I'd get back my 744 and walk away with before taxes $130. So wait till things are going good. It's going to magnify. And I got till the beginning of next year to get to my 10,000. Do I still think I can get it? Yeah, I do. There's some things coming up. It's made it a little bit harder with what happened here in the beginning, but I believe I can do so, and plus pay myself back to 1,500. So you're talking $11,000 to $12,000 asset value. But we'll see. I'm doing it every day, so we'll find out. Here's the other numbers I want to show you. We had 794 signups, down 162 from 956. Spellbook 76 purchased, 100 down from 30 from 106. Players were up 1,500, 384. All right, let me get back to there. Players were up 1,542. That number changes. All these numbers change every day pretty much, but they pretty much stay in the same range lately. Market cap is down by 0.3, 147.9 million. Cards purchased were up 12,654, up from yesterday. 108,217 compared to 95. So a lot of cards. Now this is the number. This is the cards purchased every day is very important, because what are these? These are NFTs, and what are we doing with them? We're burning them and buying them and selling them and just who knows. So the more this number is, it shows you how much action's going on in the market, and God only knows what they're doing with the cards. Preferably, I hope they're burning them. Some people are buying them, for investments or whatever. They can do whatever they want with them. It's their cards. And of course, as they burn them, the supply gets less and less. That's one of the most beautiful things about Splinterlands and the system is that you can literally have 1,000,000 cards of something one day, and then down the road have 2,000 on all of them, because all of them can be burnt. Okay, SPS, like I said, it dropped. It actually went up, but it was at 12 just a couple days ago at 10.1 cents. And DEC is up a little bit, 14.3 cents per every 100. So, like I said, I still feel very good about this, because everything's down. So it's not just Splinterlands. And there was a couple of double whammies with Splinterlands. One is they dropped at the exact time this was happening that I joined 15 million packs. And it looks like it's going to take the rest of the year to get rid of these packs, a good portion, maybe 9 months. So it's just a combination of everything. The fact that I'm showing a profit at all is outstanding to me, even though to some people it might look bad. Now, you can go back and look at my numbers, just pause it, and you can see what I've done wrong or right, and you can do yourself. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. Listen at your own risk. This is for entertainment purposes only. Please like and subscribe, and down below is a URL or a link you can click and join for free. And then if you want to go and do everything I'm doing, you're going to have to pay the $10 entry fee called the Spell Book. It's a one-time, lifetime membership. And yeah, so that's that. So that's where I'm at. Look at this number, 793. Remember I said it was 775 when we looked at the number right here? That number was from about 7 hours ago. That's how volatile this market is. I mean, it's all over the place. I just have to pick a time to put the number. So I could go as high as 8:30 today or tonight, and then in the morning when I wake up, it's down to 750. And I have found, now this is a little strategy tip. I have found, what did I just do? I have found that prices tend to be higher in the evenings, United States time, because this is all over the world. If you're in the Philippines or anywhere else in the world, then the time would be different. It'd probably be reverse. But in the mornings is when the cards are the cheapest. I just noticed that. Not guaranteed, but what else do I want to tell you? The like I said, I'm trying to get to silver 3. I have time to play tonight, so I will. But that's it. I just want to touch base, give you an update. And yeah, that's it. I lost my last battle. Once I win my last one, I try to keep going, but this guy beat it. And I'm, as you can see, I'm out of it. So I'm going to go. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll have another video in the morning. And thank you.